Hey guys, how you doing today? Today's video is going to be on what you need to start trading. You're probably very curious about trading. You see all the ads and from certain people how you can get those Lamborghinis and make millions of dollars. Okay, I guess you can. That's a very small percentage of people, guys. Okay, so let's get that out of our mind and let's just realize that there's a high learning curve in this business, guys. There's a lot to learn. So most importantly, you're going to need the proper tools, okay? And the first thing we're going to start off is with the charting platform, okay? I've used a bunch of charting platforms out there, some very expensive, some not. Trade Ideas is a good one, but it's pretty costly, but used by a lot of professionals. One of the ones that I'm going to recommend, I've also used Stocks to Trade, but I'm not going to go into that. But for me personally, I would not recommend that one. That's just me. Not a shot against them. I just found it too expensive for what you get. And what I'm going to suggest to you is for a charting platform is TC2000. This one was recommended to me by my mentor and Pat Mitchell of TrickTrades.com, and he has done. He's done wonderful on it, and he's about as professional as you can be. And I found it really useful, and I'm getting more and more used to it every day. And the charting is phenomenal, and even better than that, the price is great, especially if you're a new trader. It gives you everything that you need, and the most important thing it's going to give you is it's going to give you the option to paper trade. And if you're new, please paper trade. Do not jump into this with your full account, guys. Don't do it. It looks easy, okay? It looks easy. Let me assure you, it is not. This is not easy. It can be easy once you learn all of this stuff. And then I kind of attribute it to like a professional athlete. When a professional athlete goes in and he starts on his new team in the NFL or something, he's going to go ahead and get his playbook and all that stuff, and he's going to have to learn a new playbook, and everything's at a faster speed, and he's thinking too much, right? He's not reacting because he's thinking. He's not sure yet. So it's the same thing in trading. When you're thinking about everything and it's not coming second nature, then yeah, you're going to be slower. You're going to make mistakes, and you're not going to be getting in and out as quickly as you could. So, when the NFL player has the playbook down and they're not thinking anymore and they're just going off their athletic ability, that's where they thrive. And it'll be the same for trading, guys. But it's going to take time. It takes time for the stuff to, you'll see it instantly eventually, and you'll set up and you'll be able to react. You won't be able to do that at first. So don't think that you can by coming in here and thinking you can do that, because if you can, hey, kudos to you. But most of those 90% of the people thought they could too, and it didn't work out real well for them. So just saying. So TC2000 is a really good one. The paper trading is really important. Get started with that. Learn your methodologies. Don't go crazy, guys, and picking all these methodologies. There's a lot more to trading than just methodologies. Okay, you can look up every strategy in a book, but it goes into much more detail, and I'm going to go into that later in another video as far as the psychology of trading and where you should look for help with that. But that's pretty much all this game is, guys. It's almost all mental, and you'll kill yourself if you don't. It's so hard, the things that we do to self-sabotage ourselves. There's so much to know. So just take your time and learn your methodology first, and then we'll take the next step, and we'll get you sorted out from there. I won't get you sorted out from there. Hopefully you'll go to my mentor, Pat Mitchell, and he'll get you sorted out from there, because he's the one that's showing me how to do it, showing me what I have done wrong for the last 2 years. So know that. The broker, you can, there's many brokers you can choose from, guys. I'm going to just go ahead and shout out Interactive Brokers. That's the one I use. It's good when you're starting out because they charge you shares on a commission on the amount of shares that you have. So it's a good way to start. You should be starting small on shares. E-Trade's going to charge you $6.95. something like that for every trade, and $4.95, $6.95, whatever it is, and it's going to be expensive. So it's going to eat up your capital. So I would recommend Interactive Brokers, but that's just me. You guys do your research and find out which broker is good for you. But you're going to need a broker. Make sure your broker platform has the ability to put some hotkeys on there where you can get in and out of a trade. Okay, order entry is essential in this game, and you got to be able to get in and out of trades quickly. You can't be dicking around. You dick around, you lose money. It turns against you, which it will. Okay, then you're going to lose a lot of money, and I'm sure nobody listening to this is going to lose a lot of money. Okay, all right. Speaking about money, then you got your capital. Guys, if you're coming to trading and you want to trade these stocks and you're coming with $500, I appreciate your enthusiasm, but I'm going to tell you the cold hard fact is most likely you're going to lose that $500, and then you're probably just going to give up. Okay, don't do that. Learn how to save your money. Okay, it's good that you want to learn how to trade, and that's fine, but this is a marathon, not a sprint. So save your money, save your capital, and get as many $1,000 as you can. $5,000, $10,000. You need $25,000 to be over the pattern day trader rule. Okay, so the pattern day trader rule is basically where a day trade is in buying and selling, or selling and buying in one day. In one day. So that is a day trade. Now, if you can't do more than those, and 3 of those in a rolling 5-day period, so it really limits you. And if you go over, they suspend your account for like 3 months, guys. It's not worth it. And you could be suspended in the middle of a trade and end up losing a lot of money. Okay, so don't do that. Save up your money and learn how to, and do it properly. You can still learn along the way. Definitely, there's, my mentor, Pat Mitchell, has got all kinds of free YouTube videos. If you can't afford his mentorship or guidance yet, I highly suggest you start looking at his free YouTube videos, because he's got a lot of good info on there that's just waiting for you guys. And so in the meantime, you get that. You start off with your paper trading, because I think it's like, $29 or $49, something like that, for TC2000, to where you can paper trade. So you can so you invest that money while you're learning your methodology and stuff, and then while you're saving up your trading money. That's a good place to start. Then you're going to need a laptop or desktop. Don't be trading on your phone, guys. Don't do it. It's not a good idea. Okay, don't trade on your phones. You trade on your phone if you have a backup application to your broker in case something goes wrong, like the power goes out, or tornado hits or something. But you need to get out of a trade. But don't trade from your phone, guys. All right, a laptop or desktop doesn't really matter. There's a lot of data coming in, so make sure it's not a toaster. Okay, guys, don't be needing to feed the hamster at the beginning of the market. All right, internet. Again, don't be breaking out AOL online. All right, you need to actually have something that's somewhat decent. It doesn't need to be great or anything like that. It just needs to be decent. And finally is the choice of a mentor. And when you have the capital to get started, you're going to need a mentor. You're going to need someone to show you the right way. Now, like I said, I've been doing this for about 2 years now, and I've had plenty of the people who I thought were showing me the right way, but in fact, they were not showing me the right way. They were showing me the right way to make money for them, not for me. Okay, and they were showing you very high risk, hard to read ideas, and it wasn't good, guys. It wasn't pretty. I didn't blow up my account, but I very well could have had I stuck with those people. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a mentor that I believe is going to be really good for you. I'm going to suggest someone, and you probably already heard me talking about Pat Mitchell of TrickTrades.com, and the link will be below. Is going to be ideal for you. Like I said, check out. I found him through his YouTube videos. That's how I found him, because I wasn't happy with the information that I am getting for 2 years. I wasn't happy with it. I felt like I was doing the wrong thing, and And I started listening to Pat, and oh my gosh, did the light come on? I said, oh, holy crap, what have I been doing all these years? I've been like brainwashed into this stuff, because these people that I'm talking about, they're the first ones you see when you start looking for penny stocks and stocks and how to learn the market. These are the first ones you see, okay? Now, I could tell you, if you give Pat a chance, that you're going to be really, really happy that he did. If you didn't have to unlearn all the crap that I've had put into my brain, all the video lessons that I've had to watch that are full of marketing and very little video lesson, then you will completely understand that when you see Pat and you see him explain stuff, and he does this every day, guys. Every day he's going to go ahead and teach you how to do it, okay? He's going to teach you so you can become a professional trader and do it on your own eventually, in time. It's not going to happen overnight. Okay, there's a lot of hard work that goes into this. But if you want to be taught the right way, Pat's the right way. He's the truth, and he truly cares about you. Okay? So I'm pounding the table for Pat. Okay? I'm out here because he's been doing this, he's been trading for quite some time, but he's only been, I believe, teaching, and don't quote me on this, I believe teaching for about a year and a half or so. So, and he's showing mad success with his students. We have the best community on the internet as far as trading, and that's no lie. Give his YouTube videos a shot, guys. Come in, give his mentorship or his guidance option a chance for 1 month before you spend that money on the $5,000 challenge or $2,000 for this or whatever for these lifetime memberships. Try them for 1 month, guys. You will not be disappointed, okay? You will be welcomed, and you will not be disappointed. Now, just take my word for it. I know you don't know me from Adam, but I've been there. I've been with these other guys, and don't make the same mistake I did, because it's just going to cost you time, frustration, a whole lot of unlearning the crap that they told you when you could just learn the right way the very first time with Pat. Okay, guys? I hope this helps. The link will be below. Click on it. Check it out. 1 month. 1 month. Check it out. And I'm in the channel, so when you sign up, give me a shout out. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to help you. And Pat's always there, pretty much 24/7 anyway. So look for me and let me know that you saw the video and you joined because of it. That would be wonderful. All right, guys, take care, and much success in trading, whichever direction you go, guys. Take care.